The CV joint, what it is, and that terrifying clicking noise. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever heard a terrifying clack, clack, clack noise coming from your front wheel every time you turn a corner? Well, today, we're diving into the critical, flexible, and often misunderstood constant velocity CV joint. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works, what that noise means, and how to fix it before your car gets stranded. Trust me, you'll never look at turning your steering wheel the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. The CV joint lives on your half shaft or drive axle, primarily in front-wheel drive cars. It has a genius job that your standard U-joint couldn't handle. Its job is to transfer continuous, even, constant power from the transmission to the wheels while those wheels are doing three things at once: steering, which is turning left or right, driving, which is spinning constantly, and bouncing, which is moving up and down with the suspension. The key word here is constant velocity. It delivers power smoothly without speeding up or slowing down the axle rotation regardless of the crazy angles your wheels are at. So how does this magic happen? The CV joint is built differently than the simple U-joint. Inside a strong, protective housing, it uses a precise arrangement of steel balls held in a cage that sit in special grooves called races. Power comes in from the transmission shaft. The angle master, as the wheel turns or the suspension moves, the outer housing of the CV joint pivots. Constant velocity. The steel balls move precisely within their grooves, always staying exactly on the center line between the two shafts, no matter the angle. This design is why CV joints are absolutely essential for front-wheel drive cars, which have to steer and receive power simultaneously. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. There are two main types of CV joints you'll typically find on a half shaft. Fixed joint, or Zeppa joint. This is the most common joint found on the outer end of the half shaft, right next to the wheel hub. It's designed to handle wide, extreme steering angles while remaining fixed. Plunging joint, or tripod joint, is found on the inner end of the half shaft, connecting to the transmission. Because the engine and transmission can sometimes shift a bit relative to the wheels, the plunging joint can actually slide in and out slightly while it transfers power, accommodating changes in the axle's length. CV joints are the default power solution for any car with independent suspension, which are wheels move independently, and are the heart of front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles. The CV joint itself rarely just breaks. It dies because its protective cover, the CV boot, tears. That boot holds thick grease that lubricates the balls and grooves. The killer, when the boot rips, the grease flies out and dirt and water get in. The symptom, that dirt grinds away the internal parts. When you hear that loud, distinct clack, clack, clack noise while turning, the joint is already failing. The fix: if caught early, you can sometimes replace just the boot and re-grease it. But once the clicking starts, you usually need to replace the entire half-shaft assembly, which is a job that ranges from a few $100s to over $1,000 if you let it lock up and strand you. Keep an eye on those boots. If this breakdown helped you understand the critical CV joint, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments, have you ever heard the click of death? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.